enjoying this. Look at him. Oh, he's proper enjoying that. You good boy. Good boy. What you doing? You having more bath? You clever boy. You look like a drowned rat.
His face.
Hey.